Hi everyone, welcome to Microscope Monday. Each Monday I'm going to be posting a video of an object that has been magnified up to 60 times using this clip-on smart device microscope. I hope you got your guesses in because now it's time to reveal what last Monday's object was. And when we zoom out we find it's a piece of iridescent packaging. Well done if you got that correct, and don't worry if you didn't because I've made them a little bit tricky. Here's the one for this week. If you have a guess, please leave it in the comments down below or post it on Twitter and come back next Monday to see if your guess was correct and to discover what the next object is. The microscope I'm using throughout this series is a clip-on smart device microscope from the Curiosity box. You can get yours from the link in the description down below. Now, these videos aren't sponsored by the Curiosity box. I'm just a huge fan of Renee and the rest of her team and all the great work they do. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of these Microscope Monday videos every Monday and other Science from Home videos every Wednesday. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!